What is good, guys and girls? This is Keith Grant back again, and today I wanted to create a new video showing you guys something that I found recently in my trading journey that I feel will help a lot of other people who are also trading and who are also getting into the trading space and wanted to take their trading to another level. And that is trading Forex along with using the DXY. So basically, guys, the DXY is the dollar index. It shows the strength and weakness of the dollar at any given time. So for example, right now the dollar is currently on a steady push to the upside. It's positive. With that being said, we can use that information and we can look then to see, okay, if we're looking to see, okay, the DXY, the dollar index is strong, so how can we take advantage of that? And what can we do to capitalize on trades in the market? And understanding that, we can then go ahead and look at other pairs such as euro dollar, such as pound dollar, such as Aussie dollar, such as Kiwi dollar, all these different types of pairs, and then with our analysis we can then combine what we see on the charts along with the DXY with how it's performing, and then again capitalize on the markets. So I'm just going to show you guys on my screen what I'm talking about and make a little bit more sense. So let me just show you really quickly. Just show you guys. So as you can see here, I have the DXY on my chart, and over there, DXY up on my chart, okay, and basically you can see that the DXY has been pumping to the upside. So now that we understand that, we know that again we have a strong dollar. Understanding that, then we can go ahead and look at other pairs. So we can look at the Aussie dollar, the pound dollar, euro dollar, Kiwi dollar, and so on and so forth. And we can look at these and we can see, okay, right, how are we looking? So yesterday was Monday. We pushed nicely on Monday, and then today, Tuesday, we just kind of followed through with that momentum in that direction that we started off the week with. So for example, the DXY, the dollar, was pumping this morning. I pushed up this morning at about 7 a.m, 8 a.m, again according to the London Open, the London session. This is why it's so important, guys, to trade these markets, these sessions, because again, this is when the volume and the volatility comes into the markets. This is when most people are active in the markets. So therefore, we need to trade these times and use these times as an complementing factor, an extra layer to take a trade to give us confidence in our positions. So for example, here we can see on the DXY, right, on this only 30-minute, but it's basically the same across the other time frames, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, etc. It's been bullish for the past while. So as you can see, pushing up, and again I'm looking at target 97. We had a nice Fibonacci retracement, okay, and now we're just continuing up to that 97 mark. So understanding that, I had that voice heading into the week, heading into the Monday and then the rest of the week. experienced traders understand that the market is going to move at these times. So whether or not the market is corrected, you can still capitalize on moves because the market will move at these times. So for example, here we can see at basically 8:30, 9 o'clock, we could have caught some nice pips to the upside, and we pull back around say 2, and you see 3:30, and it's just been corrected, right? You still could have made some profits, right? Maybe we thought around break even, and maybe just holding it over till tomorrow. Alright, holding up your trades over till tomorrow to see how they move, right? That's that. Okay, so understanding the concept of the DXY, that for example right now we're bullish, okay, bullish on the dollar, bullish on the DXY, we're naturally going to be looking for the opposite on these other pairs. So for example, Aussie dollar, you can see Aussie dollar, because it's, you know, Aussie is the strong, okay, the stronger of the pair, it's going to be going down, right? And the dollar is going to be going up. So understanding that, we can see this from yesterday, but from today we can see we had that strong push down yesterday. So basically just looking for a continuation heading into today, and you can see straight off, clear as day. You know, it wasn't the biggest of trades, but you could have caught some nice pips around 7, 8 a.m. Okay, if you had held it, you could have made about 20 pips there or so. If you had held it throughout the day, you know, stop loss around 15. I like to go about 20 pips, 25 pips on this period. You could have made, you can see, 20 odd pips. Okay, which isn't a bad day's work, right? Especially if you're using proper risk management and you're putting proper lot sizes on your trades. And the same goes for pound dollar. Pound dollar is the exact same. You know, this actually looks like it moved a little bit more, looks like it moved a little bit nicer. You see yesterday again we had that nice push down to the south, and then we're just looking for the same today again, because we know the overall direction of the DXY, so we're just looking for the same across the these pairs throughout the week, and you'll see for yourselves that this does work day in, day out, and it is something that is proven. So I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, please be sure just to smash that like button and let us know what you guys think. Again, the purpose of this video is to just share with you guys something that I've learned, and something that again has helped me in my trading. Helped me in my trading to elevate my trading to another level. Because again, this is what we're all aiming for. This is what we're striving for. We want that financial freedom so that we can take our families' lives to another level. Alright, and again, the purpose of this is to just share with you guys something that I learned. Because again, like I said, what's good keeping something in if you're not giving it out to others. And this was something that I wanted to do because beforehand, I'm sure a lot of you other traders have experienced this. When you come into your trading journey, you see all these different things, and then you start picking up on little gems. You start looking at how the market moves, and you start seeing, okay, wow, this is how the market moves. This is what the market does. And then as time goes by, you just continue to learn, you continue to see how the market moves, what times the market moves at, how certain pairs like to move, all these different things. And like I said, you continue to learn. And that was the main reason that I wanted to create these videos, is because throughout life, throughout trading, you're going to continue to just pick up on these gems, pick up on these learning times, moments, and it's important for us to share with others who might be going on their trading journey, and again, it could help them in some way or form take their trading to another level. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you found some value in this video. If you have, please be sure to hit that like button and let us know what you think. I'll see you all soon. Peace.